back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Hey, let's have some apple dessert. We got to have something that's halfway healthy, and apples are definitely a great treat. So I don't know why I stumble. I don't know how Woody Wood Pecker would do this show. Almost worked. You almost laughed. You're getting tired. All right, here we go. Ready? Set. I am tired too. Ready? Set. Hey everybody, let's have some apples for dessert. My favorite apple dessert is to take a bowl, an apple slicer, some whipped cream, and some syrup or some chocolate. And the chocolate, I put it in the microwave just for a few minutes because it was in the refrigerator. So let's start out with cutting up our apples. Now you can use a knife if you want to do the coring method, where you just take and you cut down each side, holding your finger in the center like this with my two fingers. The more you cut it, the easier it gets. There we go, and one more, just like that. And then we can take and we can cut this up, cut them long ways, just like this. Oh, bad spot on there, you just cut it, pitch it. And then you can cut across this way, make little chunks, just like that. You'd be surprised at how full of a bowl you'll get just off one apple. And this is great, inexpensive fruit, and it's probably good for you too. I don't know, I'm not a dietitian. I just know I eat a lot of apples and I've lost weight. I've gone from 250 down to 200, 201. So now that you have that, you can put topping on it. Another way to do this is to use an apple core. I like this, just got this at the grocery store. You just put it on there, push down like that, and then pop it off there. Now if you want, you can take and put it in the bowl, and you can arrange these all around the core, just like this. And then you can put some dessert topping on it. So what I like to do is I like to pull the core out. Okay, and then this one is going to be for Barb. She's going to do the chocolate. So I'm going to give her the chocolate chunks. And then the whipped cream. Start, center, and circle. And then you want to take and put a cherry on top. Just like this. But if it's for Barb, you might want to put a bunch of cherries on top. So that's the dressing for that. And then for me, I'm going to do maple syrup. I think because it comes from a maple tree, it must be good. I just put a little bit on. I'm not real big into sweet stuff. But I will definitely take a cherry. Here's a cherry right here like this. And a little bit of whipped cream. And of course also too, there's one other really neat thing that you can do to dress this up. And that is these bags of frozen fruit. Get out of the freezers at the grocery store. As you can see, I have blueberries, I have strawberries. Here's my favorite pineapple. Pineapple and strawberries are pretty much my favorite. This should be peaches. So there's peaches. I have another one which is mulberries, and of course the blueberries, I generally use those when I make pancakes. And I have a pancake show coming up where I'm going to show you the 3 types of mixes to use for pancakes. So while I'm thinking of it, in the lower right hand corner right now is a subscribe button. Hit that button, and there's also the bell button so you can get reminded when I drop new videos. But keep an eye out for that pancake video. That's going to be a really good one. Well, and that is our show for the day. Thanks for watching. Come back, see us again soon. Goodbye for now.